Our first 2 meditation courses taught you how to unlock and use your psychic abilities. In our Clairvoyant Healing 101 class, we will focus on you, the healer, your ability to work with angels, and revolutionize your life and the lives of those around you. Everyone is a natural born healer. Most use it from birth without even knowing it. Healing is the ability to create change and transform experience and circumstance. When you talk to a friend who is feeling low and cheer them up, you are giving them a healing. Your ability to heal goes way beyond illness. It is an ability you can use to transform emotionally, psychologically, and even to nurture life goals that range from your career to your relationships to your prosperity and so much more. Clairvoyant Healing 101 teaches you how to reclaim your healing abilities. With the assistance of a specialized healing angel, you will be able to see and communicate with this guide and perform healings on yourself and others of your choosing. Your angel works for you through your hands to heal the spiritual body. The psychic school teachers will support you throughout this process in 6 weekly classes that are flexible and can be taken live over the telephone and online or at your convenience through MP3 recordings. Additional trainings that accompany this course occur in our spiritual healing clinics, where you will trade healings with other students to further develop your skills and experience. If you register now, you can take advantage of an incredible gift, one free psychic abilities workshop of your choice. You are already a powerful healer. Start using these abilities today to create the life you deserve. We at the Psychic School look forward to developing your skills and making a positive impact on the world as a result.